Hello. Our bodies are 73% water, and the water has its own mind. In the chakra system, we call it second chakra mind, because after the earth element, water is the dominant one. But the perspective from the sixth dimension, which is the sixth chakra mind, how do you view the water element? Because as far as the mind of the water is concerned, it likes to mix. If you're in business, you want to make some profit, but reasonable profit. In your circles of friends, you want to be honest and joyful and have a wonderful time together, especially with your mate. Yeah? That's the second chakra. We mix our fluids with our mate. So you want your fluids to be pure, so that when you mix well, the offspring will be spiritual minded. Is that right? How do you view, from the perspective of the meditative, intuitive mind, how does that look at the water element? That's a very unusual perception. And in order to really know that, we will deal with the second chakra from the perspective of the intuitive mind, the sixth dimension, and each of the 7 microchakras in the central channel I would like to explain. What does the earth of the water do? The water of the water, the fire of the water, the air in the water, the space in the water, the quality of the water itself. That determines everything. You want to learn more? Join me.